Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Tonic token. Now Tonic is a dog meme coin on the Solana blockchain. It's been trending basically all day on DEX Screener. Right now it's still trending number 30 on DEX Screener. Just came out around 19 hours ago and has almost a $50 million 24-hour trading volume. This is a very popular token that just came out hot off the press. We're going to go over the information on the Tonic token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token you can find on SolScan. If you're looking for the chart and the price and all the statistical information, you can find this token on BirdEye, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. It may be on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap as well if they've applied for that. We're going to check that here in a second. But yeah, so this token just came out around 19 hours ago. And they're right now, they're up 14,125% in the past 24 hours. 19 hours, 23 minutes ago, this token came out. And right now they have 1,242 pooled SOL and Raydium, which is equivalent to 24.89 million pooled Tonic tokens. 24-hour trading volume, $49.4 million. 79,163 transactions today. And this token here has a market cap of $11.2 million. And that is also their fully diluted valuation. Now, obviously, that's going to fluctuate all over the place because of how popular this token is and how much it's being traded. So, I mean, by the time I upload this video, those numbers are going to be off, I'm sure. But that's what it is right now. And right now they have 6,180 holders. Looks like they started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's a deflationary token. And right now the total supply and circulating supply is 951 million tokens. So you can find here on DEX Screener, they have links to their webpage, Twitter, Telegram, contract address, all that's on there. So if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet. I mean, maybe Coinbase wallet. I've never tried. Solflare, Phantom, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store or get a Chrome extension on your PC, and then you would fund your wallet with SOL. Now you could fund your wallet with SOL from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with SOL, then you would go into the dApps, and you would find Raydium, and then you would trade your SOL for this token using the contract address that you could find on BirdEye, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. I am going to put their Twitter up right in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this project here. And their Twitter is at Tonic the Bonk Dog. Now, this token, I believe, has already had a community takeover as well, and it's not even 24 hours old yet. They have been doing a marketing boost on DEX Screener. It says marketing boost ads, and then it says the 150 lightning bolt there. So I guess that's like the amount of marketing that they paid for is on how much, how many lightning bolts are there. Some of them, it might be like 7,000 or something crazy like that. But this one, 150. And their Telegram is at Tonic Soul CTO. And CTO stands for Community Takeover. And that's why it's safe to assume that this token has already had a community takeover. It's right in the title of their Telegram. They have 307 Telegram subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. But that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listing announcements, new partnerships, updates, all that type of stuff. Now, this token here, they have let me pull up the Twitter actually, so that you can see like the little exclamation points coming out of the top of the dog's head. And if you ever looked at Bonk, he's getting, he's bonking people. They have the exclamation points coming out of his head or whatever. And so they're calling this Tonic the Bonk dog. And there's most likely a story, obviously, behind where the name comes from. I just want to see quickly that there is a community takeover. So it doesn't say on Telegram. So it says this is the Bonk dog, and it's supposed to be like, I guess, the actual dog instead of a cartoon picture. And so, basically take a picture of a Shiba Inu, a Doge, and then just put exclamation points over top of it. Now we have the Bonk dog. On Deck Screener, it says web page, but if you click on that, it just takes you over to pump.fun, a web page for creating Solana meme coins. So an easy way to find the contract address, I just pulled up the Twitter, is just right there on the Twitter. You can see it says CTO on the Telegram too on the Twitter there, or on the Telegram linked on the Twitter, 11 posts so far. They just joined November 2024. And it looks like in their pinned tweet, they have the story here. It says launching Bonk in this moment was one. So I guess this is from the actual person who launched the Bonk token based off of their dog, and they have a picture of the dog. So they made this token basically saying like this is the real Bonk dog that Bonk was named after. That's what it seems to be, right? So 28 minutes ago, they just tweeted out, in under 20 hours, they've had over 6,000 holders, nearly $50 million in trading volume, over 1,000 Telegram members. Tonic is here to stay. And then underneath that, they got tons of memes, all sorts of funny stuff on the Twitter there. So yeah, this token is doing insanely well. There's a quick audit on DEX tools. It says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, and tax is not modifiable. So that's good to see, but just keep in mind that's only a quick audit. It doesn't go over everything. But, this token is doing amazing. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.